Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Tarun. Java is awesome. I am Tarun and I warmly welcome you all to our Java programming course. If you are a beginner and have never written a single line of code, don't worry. This course is specially designed for the beginners. We will learn Java from basics to advanced concepts using simple language and real world examples. So without wasting any time, let's get start our today's topic. This is the first class. Today's topic is Java basic elements and its syntax. Before writing Java programs, we need to understand the basic buildings of the Java. Before writing Java programs, we need to understand the basic buildings of the Java. For example, think about for building a house. Think about for building a house. Can we build a house without knowing where to place the walls, doors or windows? Once again, I am repeating the question. Can we build a house without knowing where to place walls, doors or windows? Think and answer on yourself. Absolutely no. Similarly, before writing Java programs, we must understand the basic elements of the Java. We must understand the basic elements of the Java. First, we will understand what is syntax. Syntax is a set of rules that we must follow while we writing the Java programs. Syntax is the set of rules that we must follow while we writing the Java programs. Let me explain with a simple example. Suppose I writing a sentence, I am learning Java. Suppose I am telling one sentence, listen it carefully, I am learning Java. This is correct or wrong? I am learning Java. This sentence is correct because it follows the English grammar. Now I will tell another sentence. Java learning I am I. Java learning I am I. Can you understand it? Maybe yes, but it is grammatically incorrect. Similarly, Java also it's a own grammar. That grammar is called syntax. If we don't follow the Java syntax, Java cannot understand our program. If we don't follow the Java syntax, Java cannot understand our program. Instead, it gives the compile time errors. Instead, it will give the compile time errors. So remember the simple formula I am telling. Kindly remember, if we write the correct syntax, program will compile successfully. If we write the wrong syntax, we will get compile time error. We will get compile time error. That's why syntax is very important. Next, we will move to the access modifiers. First, before going to access modifier, I will ask one question to you. Can anyone enter the principal's cabin? Can anyone enter the principal cabin? Think and answer yourself. Can anyone enter the principal's cabin? Absolutely no. And I am asking another question too. Can anyone know your ATM pin? Can anyone know your ATM pin? No. Why? Because there are access restrictions. Similarly, Java provides access restrictions to protect the data. These restrictions are called access modifiers. Once again, I am telling the definition of the access modifiers. Access modifiers provides the access restrictions which will enhance the data security. There are 4 access modifiers in Java. First one, public, private, protected, and default. Let me discuss one by one. First one is public. Public means everyone can access it. Suppose, for example, we take a college notice board. Every student can read it. Similarly, public means accessible everywhere. Next one is private. Private means only within the same class. Within the same class. Private means within the same class. What is class? I will tell in later. Up to that, you will remain. Private means only within the same class. For example, your ATM pin, I already told you while entering into the access modifiers. your ATM pin. Your ATM pin means only you should know it. No other persons will know your ATM pin. So similarly, same like private. Private means only within the same class. Next one is protected. Protected means accessible inside the package and by child classes. Accessible inside the package and by child class. Kindly remember, I am using new words. Protected means accessible inside the package and by its child classes. For example, for protected, I will take family property. Family property. Only our family members will access our family property. Same like in Java, protected also work like that only. Next, we will go for the default. Default means package private. Package private. For example, we can take department staff room. Department staff room. Department staff room, only teachers from the department can enter. No other persons will enter without any permission. Only department teachers will enter into the department staff room. Same like default with work. So we will learn all about access modifiers in detail in future classes. For now, just to remember their names. There are 4 access modifiers. There are 4 access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default. Next, coming to basic elements in Java. There are 3 basic elements in Java. First one is in class, second one is interface, third one is enum. There are 3 basic elements in Java: class, interface, and enum. Now first we will entering the most important concept in Java, that is class. Every concept in the Java starts with a class. Without a class, we cannot write a Java program. Everything in Java starts with a class. Without a class, we cannot write a Java program. First, we will discuss the syntax of the class. Syntax of the class is access modifier, class, class name, open braces, and closed braces. Inside that, we will write variables, methods, we will create objects, we will create number of blocks. Up to now, you only remember the syntax of the class: access modifier, class, class name, open braces, and closed braces. Inside that, we will write variables, methods, we will create objects, blocks. Suppose I will tell already you know what are the access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default. In the access modifier place, we will write access modifiers. Class is the keyword. Class is the keyword in Java, and we will write class name anything. Suppose, for example, student. Now we will create one class: public, class, student, open braces, and close braces. Inside that, we will write variables, methods, create object, and blocks. Okay, na? These are, and class is a keyword. For example, student I taken. You will take also employee, college, mobile, car, bank, anything what you want. All of you once raising the question is telling the syntax of class. He not explained what is class. I hope all of you got this question in mind. Now I am coming to the definition of the class. Suppose I will tell the simple definition now. A class is a blueprint. A class is a blueprint. For example, imagine you want to build a house. Imagine you want to build a house before construction starts. Imagine you want to build a house before construction starts. An engineer prepares a blueprint. Using that blueprint, a house can be built. Similarly, a class is a blueprint. And we will enter the one topic here: objects. Objects are the real things created from the blueprint. Objects are the real things created from that blueprint. We will discuss what is class and what is object in the further classes in detail. Next, we will go for the another one of Java elements. Second one is interface. Suppose how I will interface is nothing but it is like a contract. Suppose your college says everyone must wear ID card. Everyone must wear ID card. It tells what should it be done. It tells what should be done. But it does not tell how to wear it. It tells what should be done, but it does not tell how to wear it. Similarly, interface also declares methods. It does not provide the implementation. Interface also declares methods. You are listening new words, but for the further classes, you will get every word definition. As of now, you will remember. Interface only declares methods. It does not provide implementation. And similarly, the syntax of interface is access modifier, interface, interface name, open braces, and close braces. Inside that, we will write variables, methods, default methods, static methods. We will create objects by implementing in a class. Only as of now, you will remember the syntax. In future classes, we will learn in detail every topic. This is the first class, so I am telling only basic. While we entering Java, we should know this verse. Third one is enum. Before going to enum, I will ask a simple question. How many colors are there in a traffic signal? How many colors are there in a traffic signal? There are 3 colors in the traffic signal: red, yellow, green. Red, yellow, green. The colors will never change. It is fixed. Red, yellow, green are fixed. Similarly, Java provides enum to provide fixed constants. Java provides enum to provide fixed concept. This is the syntax of enum. Access modifier, enum bin, open braces, close braces. Inside that, we will write enum constants, variables, we will write constructors, we will write methods. Okay, na? Suppose another example I will take days. Enum days. Days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Dates are fixed. Another one, months are fixed. Directions are fixed. Traffic signals are fixed. Whenever values never change, we will use enum. Whenever values never change, we will use enum. I hope you enjoyed this class. I hope you enjoyed this class. There are 3 basic elements in Java: class, interface, and enum. In below, I mentioned small notes. Access modifiers can be already we discussed public, private, protected, or default. And we discussed class, interface, and enum. These are called Java keywords. And remember that every Java keyword starts with a small letter. Every Java keyword starts with a small letter. And every Java keyword starts with a small letter. Why I am telling like this means Java is case sensitive. Small letter class and big letter with class, or else small a and capital A are both are different in Java. So I am mentioning that Java is case sensitive. We will use for Java class two access modifiers only. One is public and next one is default. We use only 2 access modifiers for class, public and default. I hope all of you enjoyed this class. Now I will tell some challenge. I will give one challenge question and one bonus question and 10 interview questions from the today class. Kindly answer it. Okay, na? Java interview questions for class 1. First, I will give a challenge for you. Java has 3 basic elements. I already discussed Java has 3 basic elements: class, interface, and enum. I am giving you challenge. Can you explain the purpose of each in one sentence? Okay, na? As of now, I already told what is class, what is interface, what is enum, and their syntax is also I told. Can you explain their purpose? purpose also I explained in type of examples. Think and answer. And also I will give one bonus challenge to you. Can you give a real world example for each? Next, I will mention here 10 interview questions. While we are going to interview, it is a beginner questions. First one is what are the basic elements in Java? Second one is what is syntax? What are access modifiers? Name 4 access modifiers in Java. Is Java is a case sensitive? Is class is a keyword? Which access modifier can be used for top level Java class? What can Java class contain? All questions I discussed in the first class. Kindly remember and go to the notes and answer it. Think before you answer. Don't Google immediately. Try answer in your own words. Share with your answers in the comments. Share with your answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you want to answer this, if you need answers for all these questions, kindly follow my WhatsApp channel. Code with Tarun, Java is awesome. Code with Tarun, Java is awesome.